Awesome. Okay, sick.
All right, ready?
Hey, I'm Patrick Joshua. I'm the writer and director of the short film Night and Day. On the streets of Jakarta, an impulsive small-time Khan swindles a big-time aristocrat out of house and home at risk of abandonment by his only brother. Last year when I traveled back to my hometown, Indonesia, I was very astonished of how much Indonesia has grown over the past years. There's a big improvement in every aspect, and this includes the film industry. And this gave me the confidence to shoot my thesis film in my hometown, Jakarta, Indonesia.
So the theme of this film is the very human conflict of what are your wants and what are your needs, and how when we confuse those two things and allow that to spill into our lives, it changes us and not for the better. Our anti-hero Johnny is facing that conflict. At first he steals just to keep him and his devout brother Anton alive, but when he faces the opportunity to steal from this super rich aristocrat named Eddie, he tries to swindle his whole lifestyle away from him. So he goes a little too far in a lot of places, and the consequences of that may not be what you expect.
Our team has been involved with dozens of narrative projects over the past few years, and through that process we've become very close collaborators with a strong sense of visual storytelling. But to pull off a film as ambitious as this one, we need your help. Your generous contributions will go directly towards the travel expenses of the American crew members, as well as the Indonesian cast and crew, the locations, the props, the equipment, and most importantly, the food and the coffee for the crew.
So why this film, why shoot in Indonesia, and why now? The reason I wanted to tell this story is due to the rise of social media usage since the pandemic began. I've seen more people struggle with their identity. Sometimes they can lose them. They want to be somebody else. This issue is something that I want to talk about through this film, Night and Day. Indonesia has plenty of great resources, but I just haven't seen anyone making a film like this, or to tell a story like this. I feel personally responsible for that. I want Indonesia's stories to be told to the world where a global audience can also enjoy it, not only Indonesians.
The biggest goal for this film is to submit to the Student Academy Awards and other major film festivals as well. It's been a dream of ours to be included in such events as these with other amazingly talented artists.
And with the help of our Seed and Spark backers,
this dream can become a reality. Thank you so much for your support.
Our project would be impossible without you.
We appreciate your generosity. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Help me out here. Terima kasih.
Cut! Wait. Alright, I'm out to Indonesia, guys.
bye.